Lilacs mark the beginning of summer. Hi, I'm Stephanie, head grower for Frost Farms, and today we're talking lilacs, an easy way to add a smile to your yard. Here we have Ellen Wilmot. It's a traditional variety that grows up to 10 feet tall, and check this out, it has double blooms. Next we have Miss Kim. It's in the Petula family and a great way to extend your lilac season because their compact growth habit makes them easier to grow when space is limited. And unlike traditional lilacs, these plants have beautiful bronze foliage in the autumn. And lastly, the common lilac. I love these guys, they're just so fragrant. For new shrubs, plant in full sun and water daily, and we recommend ProGrow. It's a natural fertilizer that's well balanced. One question I often hear is when to prune my lilacs. Let's head up front for a demo. Prune when the flower is fading. This also ensures you'll have more blooms the following season. Always cut at a 45-degree angle and cut down to the next set of leaves. When cutting your lilacs to bring inside, cut them when it's cool out. This will help your blooms last much longer. Find your plant passion here in Town Hill or online anytime at frostfarmsmdi.com. From all of us here at Frost Farms, even this guy, thanks for watching and happy gardening!